In this video, we're going to learn how to make a sprite talk. So I've chosen a sprite, the cat, which is the default sprite, and I have my green flag button. So now I just need to add something to make the sprite talk to me. One way to do it is to actually go to the looks palette. Now you might think that it would be the sound palette, but the sprite isn't actually saying something, it's just showing text on the screen. So it's actually changing the look of the sprite. I could have the sprite say to me the word hello for 2 seconds. If I drag this hello block over and then I click the green flag, the sprite says hello for 2 seconds. I could change this text to anything I want to. It could be something like, hi, my name is Kat. Now when I click the green flag, I've changed the text that the sprite is saying. If you choose the block that says hello without a time on it, the sprite will just continue to say hello until you change its costume or have it say something new. So now when I click the green flag, that hello never goes away. All right, I can drag this block to get rid of it and then change it out for a different one. How about a different one? How about thinking? What happens when I have it think for 2 seconds? It changes the look of the text box. You'll notice that it wasn't the speech bubble, it was a thought bubble instead. So you choose which one you want to use there. There's also another way to do this, which is really cool. Under the sensing palette, there's a block that has ask what's your name and wait. Now you can change that text to any question that you want to ask the user. In this case, the sprite is going to ask me what my name is. When I click the green flag, it actually brings up a text box underneath the stage area, and that's where I can write my name. Nothing happens. So that answer that I've given to the sprite actually gets stored in this little answer block. But I haven't done anything with the answer. So if I wanted the sprite to respond to me, let's say I want it to tell me, hello, my name, I would have to do that in a different way. So we're going to go back to the looks palette, and then let's have the sprite say hello and then my name. My name is stored in this answer block so that any answer that a user gives would be stored there the same way. If I were to say hello Sarah in this block, then it wouldn't matter what the user answered. Every time the sprite would just say hello Sarah. So I wanted to say hello to a specific person. Now how do I do that? If I put answer in that block, what's it going to say? It just says Sarah. It doesn't say hello Sarah. So to make it say a complex answer that includes, this is actually a variable that can store different names, plus some text, you would want to combine things. So going to the operators, there's an operator block that says join. Now I want to join 2 things together. I wanted to say hello and then my name. When I join the blocks and then put them in say, it should tell me hello. Now you'll notice that it just uses the exact text as you enter it. It doesn't actually include a space after hello, so I would have to do that and then include my answer. Now it says hello, comma, Sarah. Figure out if you could ask it a different question. Maybe something like, how old are you? Or is it your birthday? And then have the sprite respond with a different answer than we have here. Give it a try.